Let's get started. MHS Dev. Learn, Build, Inspire. Now we're adding the sign-in user abstract method in the repository folder inside the domain layer in 𝗙𝗹𝘆𝗶𝗀𝗺. This abstract method defines a contract for user sign-in, keeping our business logic separate from its actual implementation. We're implementing the sign-in user method using Firebase Authentication's sign-in with email and password to sign-in users. In login block, we pass auth repo through the constructor to access its abstract sign-in user method. This allows login block to handle user login while keeping authentication logic separate and maintainable. Most concepts are similar to our previous videos, so if you've been following the playlist, you're familiar with our approach. If not, check out the playlist link in the description and follow along. Added the sign-in user method in login block, which updates the isLoading state to manage the sign-in process. While signing in, isLoading is set to true, and a circular progress indicator replaces the login text in the elevated button. Once the process is complete or fails, isLoading is set back to false to restore the button text. We're passing the getIt object to our login block. Since we've already registered the auth repo with getIt, this dependency injection allows us to easily retrieve and use our authentication service, keeping our code modular and clean. Now, let's test the login functionality to ensure our implementation works perfectly. When a wrong password is entered, Firebase blocks login, but our circular progress indicator remains and the login text doesn't return. Let's resolve this issue and ensure the UI behaves correctly on failure. Adjust the progress bar's width and height so it fits perfectly within the elevated button without touching its borders. With the correct email and password, our login functionality is working perfectly. Now, we're adding a temporary dashboard screen to navigate to after successful login or sign-up, ensuring a smooth transition as we continue developing the app. Our temporary dashboard screen is now complete. In the next video, we'll implement the navigation logic so that after signing up or logging in, users are seamlessly directed to the dashboard. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.